So I can hear you. Yeah.
Okay, can you hear me? Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay. Okay. So basically, today I also talk about that some topic which is not completed yet, such as how we can easily make that animation map, then bubble map, then float map. This type of thing is how we can easily handle, as well as also animation map or animated map using R Studio. I will show you that step by step process. Then I hope you can easily do it. So let me share my screen.
Okay, so for me, but I think we should do it separately. No problem.
Yeah,
Like
so I will.
I
Okay, so
don't know if
yeah, so I will send
yeah.
you all of code. You try to check all of code one by one, and further you also
Okay.
try to create this type of data. Suppose you can see when you want to make the bubble size map, you need this type of data. Okay, latitude, longitude, and value.
Okay.
And when you want to make the chloroplet map, then you need this type of data. This type of data. And when you want to add the chloroplet map, also bubble map, then we need the latitude value, also longitude value. Then we can
Okay.
easily, at the same time, we add the chloroplet map, as well as we also add the bubble size map. And then it also visualize about that at the same time. It also visualize. Okay. Okay. So now I also show you the another code. Yeah. So basically, this is the code. In this code, we try to make the not just a minute. Okay. So now I want to make the animated map. Suppose I have the 10 years data. Suppose in this time for the animation map, suppose this type of value, I have the total 10 years. Suppose 2000, 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006 up to 10. So I have total 10 years data of all of values. Okay. So now further I can easily make the animated map. So then we can easily identify about that where the region is a change or not. We can easily get it. So let's go try to show you this code one by one. So in this time we need this type of package for animation map or animated map, ggplot2, SF, natural art, then our natural art data, gg animated. So basically this library create the animation. Animated, this library create the animation. So just I simply run all of packages. Now install it all of packages. Okay, so now it's working for installing all of packages. Yeah, so it's done. So now I just simply import all of packages one by one. So run it. So import all of library, simply import. And now we are just at the world map, world boundary map, and then set the data. Okay, just combine, and now we create this animated plot. Okay, so now it's working. Yeah, we can easily get the idea. You can see it show about the red alert. It means that now this code is working. Yes, so it's working. Okay, so now rendering is data animated. So you can see it will be working for rendering. Yes, so now it. I hope it will work. Okay, let me run the code again. Okay, so now you can see it create this type of animation. So basically, you can see it about the time. So basically, in this time, it stored total 10 years data. Okay, then 10 years data, and for the different time, it show the different value. Suppose you can see and see that it's a legend about that. You can easily save it as a GIF format. So you can see the save as, and you can see about that GIF format. You can save it in your desktop. So let's save it desktop. You can put it in here. You put the animated and then save as, and further you can show the results. So okay, I think if file is not supported my PC, or I open it, it's not working for GIF file. Okay, so now we can get this type of result in a new tab. But when I save image as, yeah, so now it will save. Yeah, yeah. So now you can see the GIF image. I just simply save it in my desktop. How further open it. Now you can get this type of, you can see GIF or animated animation. We can easily get it. So now I can easily it supported any kind of dynamic document is easily supported, and we can easily do it. So in this time, this is same process. Here you can see basically, first of all, we create the another map in this code. In this code, mainly it create the populate map only for the 1 year data. Okay, 1 year data. When I show you this code previous time, but in this time when I create, you can see this code. In this time we use here the total 10 years data. So that's why it show about that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 years data. How it will be changed? We can easily visualize from this map. Okay, so this is one kind of animated map. Using the same process, we can easily create any kind of data. So what we need the csv file. In this csv file, including total 10 years time series data. Okay, for each country, for each boundary, we need the 10 years data. Further, we can easily represent it as the animated map. Okay, so now this map you can also show as a interactive map, mainly your web mapping. We can also do it. Suppose this same data I want to make